Have you run out of people to talk to? Have you called everybody in your phone contact list? Is it just not going fast enough as you're trying to build a business or maintain a business or provide leads for your sales team? Well, we believe we have a one-stop shop solution for you. LinkedIn is one of the best profiles to reach a very specific target audience that might be able to help you grow your business. I don't know if you're in the insurance business, the business brokerage business, the sales business, selling cars, selling products. All the people you probably ever want to talk to in the professional service world is on LinkedIn. And we have mastered the craft at reaching people on LinkedIn to generate high quality leads. What we do is we go into your LinkedIn profile and we do a complete makeover of the imagery, all of the content. We rewrite everything so that it will connect to your perfect prospect. And then we create a 2-month messaging stream. When we connect with somebody, which we do over 100 times a day in this process, when those people connect back to us, we then begin a 2-month, very specific messaging that will help pique interest and take that conversation from your inbox and LinkedIn offline so that you can have that prospect on the phone, connecting with them at a deeper level, helping them understand your product, who you are, so you can turn that prospect into a customer that can help them grow your business. If you're interested in more information on how we use LinkedIn to help people accomplish their business goals, why don't you give me a call, 443-987-0874, and I would be happy to give you a free LinkedIn lead generation strategy session so that we can help you understand how you can leverage the power of the internet to grow your business.